So in this next video, I'm going to show you how to use the auto mailing feature inside of Groove. And it's really cool, especially if they connect it to SendGrid, because it has awesome deliverability. Plus, you can send up to 10,000 emails for only 15 bucks a month if you send it to SendGrid, which is cool. Now, if you're to actually send that many emails through any other emailing system like Aweber, something like that, you're talking hundreds of dollars a month. So this is going to save a ton of money. Plus, SendGrid has awesome deliverability. And there's a lot of automations you can use in email as well. And I'm going to show you how to set that up. So let's go over to the computer and I'll show you that right now.
Okay, so here we are in Groove, and what we want to do is go over here and click on Groove Mail right here. Now, the cool thing about Groove Mail is you can set it up using their servers, or you can use something like SendGrid. Okay, so when you set up Groove Mail for the first time, what you're going to want to do is come over here and click on Senders. And in this area, it's going to show you email senders right here. And this is where you create a new email sender. Now, in order to send email, you need to verify. But first, we're going to create a new sender. And this is where you'd put your sender identity. So the sender identity is exactly what is going to be used for this campaign, so you know what to choose. So it could be, in this case, Groove study course, we'll say, right? And then sender name, which is who it's coming from, right? So in this case, it would be Mike Bach, right? And the sender email address. Now, the sender email address really should come from a domain name that you have already owned, right? And that's very important. And I would also do the replies the same thing. Now, right here, I would choose SendGrid, because SendGrid is a really good deal. Groove Mail I've had a little bit of problems with as far as getting deliverability with, but SendGrid is absolutely unbelievable. And I'm just going to go over to SendGrid and show you exactly what this looks like as far as terms of cost. So I'm over here at SendGrid, Twilio SendGrid it's now called, right? And if you look at the pricing, if you click on pricing here, you could see that you can start for free, first of all, and you can get up to 100 emails a day for free. Now, look at this. Essential starts at only $20 a month, and you could get 50 to 100,000 emails a month, which is absolutely crazy. Now, if we just move this up a little bit, see, 50,000, that's crazy. Now, watch this. This is crazy. This is how inexpensive this is. If you go to Aweber and you want to send 10,000 emails a month, click on pricing here. Let's just go to up to 10,000. You're going to spend $112 a month. If you want to get up to 50,000, you're spending $500 a month. This is a super awesome deal. And by the way, you can start for free, and it's super easy to do. You just sign up here for free, right? So that's that. Now, once you get into SendGrid, what you're going to want to do is this. You're going to come over here and you're going to click on marketing, and you're going to click on senders. And this is where you can create a new sender. And then all this information is exactly what you need to enter. And it'll show you step by step how to do this and how to validate it and all that stuff. But the cool thing is you're going to get really good deliverability on this. It's going to go right to their inbox. It's not going to go to junk. Yeah, so there's a couple of videos that are going to show you how to set up a DMARC and an SPF record, and I'll include that in the description below this video. But it's very important to do that to get really good deliverability. So once you do this, once you set up all this information, then you're going to want to go and get your API key. To get your API key, just come over here in SendGrid and go to Settings, and then click API Keys. Copy that and paste it inside of Groove right here. Coming back to Home, we can click back on Home, and we can click on Automations. And then you're going to create new automation, and you can name it something like Add to Sequence. Okay, so you know what it is. Now name this so you remember what it is. And we're going to say when contact subscribes to the list, we're going to say this Groove affiliate. And you got to hit this plus. That's very important once you do that. Then we're going to subscribe to the sequence. We're going to name the sequence, and then you're going to hit the plus, and then you hit save. And it's as simple as that. Now it's ready to go and it's active. And you can also see here that there's a ton of different things you can do. You could do something when somebody unsubscribes from a list or is assigned a tag, fills out a particular form, they subscribe to a sequence. They can open a broadcast mail. So anybody that opens a mail, you can set them up to go to another sequence. Or if they click a link in a broadcast mail, or you'll open a sequence mail, or even if they click a link in a sequence mail. So you can see here that this is very powerful. If they purchase a product, they abandon cart, they refund a product, or they cancel subscription, these can all be added into an automation. So it's really, really powerful stuff. Now over here is where you create your campaign. So if we just click on campaign, we could do a new sequence, right? And we can say new sequence, and we can name the sequence like my new product, like people who show interest in my new product, and we're going to create the sequence. Now from here you can send an email, and then you can set up who it's from and everything like that. And of course the sender is only going to be the one that's actually verified. And once you fill out all this information, all you got to do is click on message. And you could use the professional email template here. So let's compose the email. Now look at all these awesome templates. And of course, there's tons of categories. Marketing and design, for instance. Look at all these awesome templates you can use for your emails. Really, really cool stuff. And of course, these emails are all point and click. So we can select this. And it's point and click design. You can put your logo in there. You can change anything. You can change the images. You can change everything in here. Point and click. Simple, easy emails. And if you want to preview it, you can do that as well. You could want to click on preview. You can see what it looks like here as well. So awesome way to design emails that are pre-designed for you. Of course, you can always use a blank template. And these blank templates are just like anything in the whole system. You can just drag and drop a title in here, and then you could do a new paragraph below that, and you could do a list item if you want to do that. If you want to create an image, you could pop that down there. You can do a button in here. I mean, think about all the options here. You could put a table if you wanted to below that. You could do a divider, which is kind of cool, and then a spacer, which is even better if you want to add some space. And then you could do some social icons like that. Look at how they put them in there already. And you could do other icons as well. And obviously there's a ton of, look how quick and easy you could just drop items in here and create your own professional emails. So that is Groove Mail. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next video. Now don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, like, and comment below this video if you like it, and also click on the link below this video to actually get access to my free 10-day course, How to Succeed with Groove and How to Get Traffic with Groove, and you're going to absolutely love it. So I'll see you on the website, and I hope this video helped a lot.